Good morning to everyone. Welcome to the course Linear Algebra and Calculus. My name is Sujatha, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Department of Science and Humanities, MLR Institute of Technology. Today I am going to discuss chain rule of the partial differentiation. So in the previous session, I discussed the chain rule and the total derivative, total differential coefficient definition, and also we solved some problems related to the chain rule of the Cartesian coordinates. In this session, I will discuss the problems on polar coordinates and total derivatives. So, we will see one problem related to the polar coordinates. So, if u equal to f of r and x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta, u equal to f of r means u is a function of r and r is function of x comma theta. So r comma theta, so this is the polar coordinates. If they are given the polar coordinates, we will see how to find out dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square. So we have to show that this value equal to f double dash of r plus 1 by r into f dash of r. So here u is function of r, u equal to f of r. So if you want to find out dou square u by dou x square, first find out dou u by dou x, dou u by dou x, dou u by dou x, dou u by dou x. So here r is a function of x comma y, that's why we can write dou u by dou x is f dash of r, and again we can derivative of r with respect to x, that is dou r by dou x. So this is dou u by dou x. Next again differentiate this one partially with respect to x, we will get dou square u by dou x square. Dou square u by dou x square equal to, so here is uv rule. So this is u and this is v. So derivative of uv is, derivative of d by dx of uv is u dash into v plus u into v dash. We can apply this one. F dash of r, derivative of f dash of r is f double dash of r. Again derivative of r is dou r by dou x. Dou r by dou x into dou r by dou x. We can write that is dou r by dou x whole square plus f dash of r into derivative of dou r by dou x with respect to x is dou square r by dou x square. So this is dou square u by dou x square. Similarly, if you calculate dou u by dou y, we are getting f dash of r into dou r by dou y. F dash of r into dou r by dou y. Again we have to differentiate this one partially with respect to y. F double dash of r into dou r by dou y. Dou r by dou y into dou r by dou y. Dou r by dou y whole square plus f dash of r into with respect to y, that is dou square r by dou y square. So we can write similarly. So dou square u by dou y square equal to f double dash of r into dou r by dou y whole square plus f dash of r into dou square r by dou y square. So we have to find out dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square. So we add those two, dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square. Adding these two, we will get, this is f double dash of r, this is f double dash of r. F double dash of r is common, f double dash of r into dou r by dou x whole square plus dou r by dou y whole square plus f dash of r common, f dash of r into dou square r by dou x square plus dou square r by dou y square. So this is dou y square, dou y square. So, but we have to prove this f double dash of r, but here is f double dash of r into dou r by dou x plus dou r by dou y whole square. So, we have to find out dou r by dou x whole square, dou r by dou y whole square, dou square r by dou x square and dou square r by dou y square. For calculating this one, we have to use these values, x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta. X equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta, x square equal to r square cos square theta and y square equal to r square sin square theta. So, we can add these two, x square plus y square equal to r square into cos square theta plus sin square theta. We know that cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So, this is equal to r square. Therefore, r square equal to x square plus y square. So, using this relation, we can find out dou r by dou x. What is dou r by dou x? Differentiate this one partially with respect to x. We are getting 2r into dou r by dou x equal to 2x, implies dou r by dou x equal to x by r. Similarly, with respect to y, we are getting dou r by dou y equal to y by r. So, in place of dou r by dou x, we can write x by r. In place of dou r by dou y, we can write y by r. Next, we can find out dou square r by dou x square and dou square r by dou y square. So, before that we can take this is an equation 1. So, dou square r by dou x square. Dou square r by dou x square is nothing but dou by dou x of dou r by dou x. So, what is dou r by dou x? What is dou r by dou x? So, this is dou r by dou x. Dou r by dou x is x by r. So, this is dou by dou x of x by r. So, here, so x is a function and r is also function of x comma y. That's why we can apply, if you want to find out dou by dou x of x by r, we have to apply u by v rule. Derivative of u by v. Derivative of u by v rule is v square u dash into v minus u into v dash. So, this is the formula. So, this is u and this is v. So, we can apply this one. So, v square, that is r square into, what is the derivative of x? 1. 1 into, we can write r as it is minus u into, u is x, x into derivative of r. Derivative of r with respect to x is dou r by dou x. So, this is the value. So, this is equal to r minus, in place of dou r by dou x, we can write that is x by r, x into x by r square. So, this is equal to r square minus x square by r cube. So, we have the relation. So, x square plus y square equal to r square. From this, r square minus x square equal to y square by r cube. Similarly, we can find out dou square r by dou y square. So, this is equal to dou by dou x of dou r by dou y. So, this is equal to dou by dou y of dou r by dou y. Dou r by dou y is y by r. If you calculate this one, we are getting r minus y into dou r by dou y by r square. In place of dou r by dou y, we can write that is y by r. We will get r square minus, so this is equal to r square minus y square by r cube. So, but r square minus y square equal to x square. So, x square by r cube. So substitute all these values in equation 1. Substitute dou r by dou x, dou r by dou y, dou square r by dou x square, dou square r by dou y square. In equation 1, we get, so equation 1 is this one, dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square. Dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square equal to f double dash into f double dash of r into f double dash of r into dou r by dou x. Dou r by dou x means dou r by dou x is x by r. Dou r by dou x whole square is x square by r square. X square by r square. Plus dou r by dou y means y by r. Dou r by dou y whole square means y square by r square. Plus f dash of r into dou square r by dou x square plus dou square r by dou y square. So in place of dou square r by dou x square and dou square r by dou y square, substitute the values. Dou square r by dou x square is y square by r cube plus dou square r by dou y square is x square by r cube. So this is equal to f double dash of r into, so we know that x square plus y square equal to r square by r square plus f double dash of r into x square plus y square equal to r square by r cube. So here r square is cancelled. We are getting 1 f double dash of r plus f dash of r into r square by r cube, that is 1 by r. Hence the result. So here we are getting dou square u by dou x square plus dou square by u by dou y square equal to f double dash of r plus 1 by r into f dash of r. We will see one more problem related to the total derivative. Total derivative means we can represent du by dx. But u is not a function of a single variable. U is a function of the two variables x comma y. So for calculating this one, what they are given first? Given u equal to x into log xy. So we have the formula for log AB. What is log AB? Log AB equal to log A plus log B. So we have to use that formula. So we can write x into log A log x plus log y. So this is equal to x into log x plus x into log y. So finally we are getting u can be written as x log x plus x log y. So u is a function of two variables x and y. That's why we can find out dou u by dou x as well as dou u by dou y. So dou u by dou x is with respect to x. This is x and this is function of x. Both are function of x. That means we have to apply the UV rule. X into derivative of log x 1 by x plus derivative of x 1 into log x plus here is x into log y. With respect to x, y is constant. That's why you can write log y as it is, and derivative of x is 1. That is log y. So x is cancelled. We are getting 1 plus log x plus log y. Again we have to apply the same formula. Log a plus log b can be written as log ab. So this is equal to 1 plus log xy. Dou u by dou x equal to 1 plus log xy. Dou u by dou x equal to 1 plus log xy. And next we can find out, this is using this relation, x cube plus y cube plus 3xy z equal to 1. So this is the implicit form of the f of x comma y. So this is y is a function of x. We can write this is y is function of x. Y is a function of x. If it is y is function of x, we are able to find out the dy by dx. So that's why find out dy by dx. Derivative of x cube is 3x square. Derivative of y cube is 3y square into, again derivative of y is dy by dx. Dy by dx plus 3 into, here x and y are two functions. We can apply UV rule. X into derivative of y dy by dx plus derivative of x 1 into y. So this is equal to, derivative of 1 is 0. So this is 3x square plus 3y square into dy by dx plus 3x into dy by dx plus 3y equal to 0. So here is dy by dx, here is dy by dx, that's why common dy by dx. Dy by dx is common. If you common this one, we are getting 3y square plus 3x equal to, remaining value we can take the right hand side, that is minus 3x square minus 3y. So here is 3y square and here is also 3x. We can common 3. We are getting 3 into y square plus x. Here is also 3 and this is also 3. We can common 3. Minus 3 into x square plus y square. 3. We can cancel the 3. So therefore dy by dx equal to minus of x square plus y by y square plus x. But our aim is not dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y and dy by dx. Our aim is to find out du by dx. So if you want to find out du by dx, we have to use the formula for the total derivative. So total derivative is du by dx. Du by dx equal to, the formula is u is function of x, that's why dou u by dou x plus u is function of x and y, dou u by dou y into y is function of x, that is dy by dx. Y is function of single variable x, that's why we can write dy by dx. So this is equal to, we calculated dou u by dou x, that is 1 plus log xy plus dou u by dou y. We calculated dou u by dou y. Sorry, you didn't calculate dou u by dou y. Calculate dou u by dou y also. Dou u by dou y equal to, so with respect to y, so x constant, log x constant, that is 0, and with respect to y, x is constant and derivative of log y is 1 by y. So this is equal to x by y. So we need this also. Dou u by dou y. Dou u by dou y is x by y into dy by dx minus of x square plus y by y square plus x. So this is equal to 1 plus log xy minus x into x square plus y by y into y square plus x. So hence the result. Thank you.